In this tutorial, we will go through the execution of a simulation, based on the scenario that we created earlier. We log into the platform, and select the Simulations menu. Pressing the plus sign reveals a dialog where we can give a name to the simulation, select the scenario that the simulation will be based on, and optionally provide a description. The creation of the simulation redirects us to the simulation wizard. Here, the user provides the input data to the models that compose the scenario. Based on the metadata of the inputs for each model, a corresponding user interface element is provided. The data can be directly uploaded to the platform. Alternatively, the user can upload and use data from the data assets. Here we insert the parameters of the first model. Depending on the number of models that exist in the scenario, the simulation wizard provides the respective steps for the completion of the input data. Now the user can start the simulation. The status of the simulation is also visible from the corresponding column of the simulations table. Furthermore, we can also clone an existing simulation. This makes easier tweaking some parameters and running again the simulation. When cloning a simulation, the initial inputs are copied over to the new one. Therefore, the user can modify the parameters of interest and rerun the simulation. We have now completed the execution of two simulations. By selecting the two simulations, the user can visualize and compare the outputs. Here we can see the values for different indicators, including the distance traveled by the last mile delivery vehicles, the carbon dioxide produced and the energy consumption. The visualization dashboard helps decision makers select, for a given scenario, those parameters that will minimize an indicator of interest.